Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can dress up as Squid Game character on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. For this tutorial, I'm going to dress up as the red light doll. And I'm going to go to the makeup section here for the makeup. Since I don't have custom makeup, so I'm just going to use the makeup from here. I'm going to choose this one. I think this one will be suitable for the doll. Then I'm going to go to the hairstyle. And for the hairstyle, I think the most suitable hairstyle is, wait, I'm still searching for it. This one. Okay, and then I'm going to color it to black. And wait, I'm going to remove the bang. And I'm going to go to the bang and choose, for example, this one. Okay, all right, and I'm going to go to the VIP room. I'm sorry guys, this tutorial is for VIP, but if you want, I can make tutorial for non-VIP. For this tutorial, I'm gonna do the VIP version. Oops, sorry. We can select this this outfit, and I'm going to color it to yellow and orange. Okay, and now it's time to get the skirt. We can go to this section. Oops, sorry. We can grab this pink skirt, and I'm going to color it to orange as well. Okay, and now it's time to put on shoes. So I'm gonna go out of this VIP room and grab the shoe. Okay, I'm gonna go to this section. Okay, move here to grab the shoe, and we can use the black shoes here. All right, this one. And I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to add sock, and for the sock, I'm going to make it white. Okay. All right, and I'm going to get the high sock. I'm going to go to the sock section. Okay, I'm going to grab the sock, this one, and I'm going to change the toggle to high stripped sock. And I'm going to change the color to white. Okay. And let's see what we have here. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm going to zoom in to show you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress up a Squid Game character. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!